Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn edit profile background in LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your profile, and this is your profile background back on your profile picture. So here you will see your camera icon and you have to click on it. Just look at this button, edit profile background. You have to click on it. Select your cover photo from here. Click on open. You can adjust the part of picture from here and you can crop it as well. And same as profile picture, you can apply filters as well and you can adjust it. And as you can see guys, the area of the picture is showing in this white box will be visible on my profile, and I want to keep this part of this picture on my cover photo or in my profile background. Now I've adjusted my picture and I am going to apply it on my profile background. In just few seconds you will see my profile background and it has been done. And as you can see guys, my profile background has been done. So guys, this is how to edit profile background in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.